So this poll about the revision number of SOLIDWORKS has some really interesting results. Only 38% of people that voted got the answer right, which is 31 for SOLIDWORKS 2023, the revision number for the 2023 version of SOLIDWORKS. Let me show you a very cheeky way of finding the answer by doing a simple Google search here. So if I search for SOLIDWORKS and jump directly onto the Wikipedia article, there's a table here that has every version of SOLIDWORKS with a column that notes the version number, or the revision number in our case. So if you scroll all the way down here, you can see that SOLIDWORKS 2023 has a revision number of 31, and there's this little trick that you can do, I think is valid for all SOLIDWORKS versions from 2001 or 2003, I think, where you literally take the year and then you add 8, a magical number, and that will give you the actual revision number. But we're gonna make this more fun by actually writing a little VBA macro that does this. So as always, SWApp as SOLIDWORKS. And just to show everybody here, I think I have SOLIDWORKS 2023 running. So and then we'll just define a main subroutine, and then we'll set SWApp equal to application.SOLIDWORKS. Now the method that we're going to use today to get the revision number is simply a property called revision number that returns a string. So let's define a string revision number as string, and then revision number equal SWApp dot get, or simply revision number. Let's debug print that. Call this revision number is equal to revision number. And if I run this, I get the entire revision number, as well as, I think this denotes the service spec number that I'm using. Awesome. Now this might not be the best looking information to represent or to show the version of SOLIDWORKS that you're running. So there's another interesting method that actually gives us more presentable information as to the build or the revision number of your SOLIDWORKS, or the year really. So that method is get build numbers. And the build number will be expecting a base version, so let's just define a base version, add a parameter here that we will define later as a variable, and then current version, as well as if there's a hotfix in this release of SOLIDWORKS. So let's dim base version as string, and then dim current version as string. We'll do the same here for the hotfix as string. And let me go and copy this line and paste that here, here, and here. Remove these spaces. There you go. And then we'll just make some changes here too. So this will be baseline, or this will be baseline. This will be current version, and this will be hotfix. And we'll change these to base version, right? Current version, and then hotfix, or hotfixes. And then if I run this, I get a base version that notes SOLIDWORKS 2023 underscore service spec 0. So what I'm using is actually service spec 0, not 1. And then a current version. This looks like it might be the build date. I don't really know what this actually means, so it will be interesting to see what, if any of you guys know what the current version return value actually, how can this be interpreted. And obviously this version of SOLIDWORKS does not have any hotfix, so the return value for hotfixes is an empty string. So I would probably use this one, so SW 2023 underscore service spec 0. It's more readable. yeah, so that's how you get your revision number, and then you get the build numbers for your SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.